Very important because Ronde shot really poorly. He didn't even hit 30% of his field goals. So it was important that other guys step up. They did a really good job defending Ronde, and when that happens, we have to be able to go to our counters. And Jason and Calvin were the ones who provided that firepower coming off the bench. So that's the good thing. It was a struggle for us the whole game, but at least we won with our import struggling with this offense. And I think we should be able to be better and grow from this game.
Thank you, Coach Shaw. Jason, ang nakikinig yung pag this game before you had to sit down. Dahil nakita mo na nangyayarapan si Orange State offensively, you stepped up. Ano yung mga po sa isip mo to keep you guys in the game?
Siguro kung ano lang yung binibigay ng defense, yun lang yung kinukuha ko. At the same time, yun nga, kailangan mag-contribute sa scoring kasi that moment hindi kami maka-execute, hindi kami maka-shoot. So, as a veteran yun nga, parang kailangan mag-contribute. So, siguro natapat lang. Pero personally, sobrang hindi ganun kaganda yung game namin kasi kung makikita nyo yung stats, kahit ako ilang turnovers ko at the same time, RHJ and then Fukoy also. So, siguro yung defense lang namin yung nagpanalo sa amin this game.
Coach, ang natin tanatay ko kasi sa shooting our host din namin kung wala siya. How did he catch up to speed nung pabalik niya?
Our entire mindset was to make sure that our defense is on point because this was a top scoring team in the quarterfinals. Rain or Shine was averaging 115 coming into this ball game. So sabi namin, without Calvin, we knew our offense would suffer. So kailangan talaga namin mapawi yun with our defense. And I think that's what happened in this ball game. We won this not on our offense but with our defense, limiting them to below 90 points. And still, Calvin was able to contribute because, like I said, they did a really good job shutting down Ronde. And when that happens, it opens it up for our other players. So Jason got a lot of looks, Calvin got a lot of looks as well. So yun yung dynamics ng team, yun yung preparasyon namin while Calvin was away. We said the only way we will win this game really is with our defense.
Because this is your third consecutive conference na kalaban ng regular season. There are no more surprises, but are you expecting this series teams to be offensively be more unrivaled game?
Yeah, it's going to be a grind the whole way through. We have no illusions of that this will be easy by any means. They're a very well-balanced, well-constructed, well-coached team. They're very versatile. They have a great import with them. So we really have to be at our best. We were fortunate tonight that our defense carried us through, but there's a lot for us to improve going into game 2.
Coach, hindi pa naman simula yung dun sa struggle ni RHJ.
Some of it was he was missing shots he normally makes, but some of it they were really playing good defense. Johnson was playing excellent defense on Ronde, forcing him into difficult shots. Some of those he normally makes. Tonight it wasn't falling, but like I said, when hopefully we've built our team with the versatility that if our offense is not clicking, we can fall back on our defense.
That be a concern
Well, sanay na naman siya doon. So hopefully, but yes, it's going to be something that we will have to monitor closely.
Last series, goal management the season. So are you planning to do the same this
Secret. Tanong mo naman kagad eh.
Usually, okay ba lang yung nangyari kung
Yung sa playground.
Oh, by the way, sorry talaga. Sobrang accident din nangyari kasi yung momentum niya going to the ball na tsaka pa-pass break niya, and then syempre hindi ko naman, nasa area ko, hindi ko naman control yung mangyayari. So, and sorry talaga kay Andre, pero alam naman niya yun. Thank you.
Ito ko sir, kung na wala ka sa court,
Hindi naman kasi lahat naman sa
Ako, concerned. So, kasali ako, concerned.
sa team namin ready naman sila. At the same time, yung trust ko naman sa mga other guard nandun talaga. And yun nga, to be honest, yung nagpanalo talaga sa amin yung dito, this game, is defense talaga. Even si RSG, hindi yung average scoring niya hindi ganun ano, pero on defense siya yung talagang pinaka-anchor namin doon. Siya lahat yung nagdidikta sa amin. So give credit, give credit to RSG pa rin kahit off night siya, pero yung defense niya talaga nandun.
depending even your priority. Hindi pa siya
Yeah, but he averaged 24 in the quarterfinals, diba? He was really good getting off, and yes, it was one of our priorities is really to defend Nokum, and just to make him work for his points. Yung mga ganun rin, di mo na mahinto yun. They'll get their points, but at least make it difficult for him.
Jason, do you see yourself as a young Gabriel Nokum?
Oh, actually mas magaling siya sa akin kasi mas matangkad siya sa akin eh. Tsaka yung vertical niya, iba. And mas marami siyang moves. So, sobrang happy ako sa kanya kasi yung nag-evolve siya sa player na ganun talaga is laster at the same time. Yun nga, yung outside shot na ngayon, ang ganda na. So, yung mga ganung player, natutuwa akong makita kasi mas maganda lalong dumadami yung ganun sa PBA, di ba? So, mas marami manonood. At the same time, nakaka-excite yung game niya rin. So, sobrang galing.
Not absolutely impressive.